So have you ever wondered how people are making these magical Ghibli style pictures? Well, I'll show you in the next 2 minutes. Yeah, so to be able to achieve this, you need a picture with a clear background like this, or a picture with a clear face and maybe not too much information at the background. So with a picture like this, you also need platforms like Canva or Ghibli image generator free online. But in this case, I'll be using ChatGPT, but not on the web. We'll use the ChatGPT in WhatsApp. So they have a official WhatsApp content of which works as the main ChatGPT website. So let's use this picture. They just send a picture to the number on WhatsApp. I will leave the link to the WhatsApp number in case you want to use the same thing. So let's go. So with this, you need a prompt to be able to generate the kind of picture or the style you want. So you can be precise with the prompt, the kind of color grade you want, the kind of style, the kind of edits, even to change colors or any other things. But don't worry, you can just use the same prompt I use and later edit the picture with Snapseed or maybe your iPhone or maybe Adobe Lightroom for mobile. Yeah, so I just choose this. So let's use the prompt. So let's paste the prompt here. So Studio Ghibli style portrait of a young man, dreamy soft lighting, anime background, warm colors and fantasy vibe. So if you're a female, just use woman. And if you want to add anything, just add it to the prompt and send it to ChatGPT. And within few minutes, let's open WhatsApp and see. ChatGPT should be able to generate something solid for you. So I've sent the prompt to ChatGPT over here. So as you can see, I've sent this exact prompt to ChatGPT over here. So let's see. So I've already created some. So they said I've hit the plan for generating the picture. So after 60 minutes, it will generate. So let's see. But yeah, so this is what you should be able to get after sending the exact same prompt because I did one yesterday. So this should be what you get. I sent a similar picture to him with the same background. So this is the picture generated. And I think for this, if it's the style I use, you can see it has a dreamy look, fantasy vibe, anime background. It's the same thing as the only changes I saw was I think is it a hairstyle or yeah. But hey, that's me in the picture. Everything looks nice. So I would love to see your generated Ghibli pictures on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, everywhere. Just make sure you follow me on all those platforms and tag me in those videos. And make sure your pictures are clear, precise, so you get solid or maybe the results you are looking for. So if you like something like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow for more.